What's good with it?
Hey, what's up, boss? Hey, this one that's on that side over there, the breaker was off on that one, so I checked everything, turned the breaker back on. There's no code flag.
Breaker is on.
For this one right here, it looks like maybe the thermostat, the fuses are good on it. All the contactors are good. I'm getting power up here, but it's not sending a signal from the thermostat to turn the machine on, so we need to check the thermostat for whatever controls this unit. I don't know which one that is. We need to find that thermostat and go ahead and turn it on. So I'm going to have to go in and find out which one controls this unit real quick.
All right. I'll meet you in
All right, boss.
All right,
All right, boss.
She like it like that, like what, like what, like what. She like it like that, like what, like what, like what. She like it like that, like what, like what, like what. She like it like.
Looks like the breaker was tripped. Both compressors are working properly, and we are now cooling. Contactor light steady, no problems and issues right now. Two of them on top weren't working. I got one of them working right now, but I need to know for the one on that far end. Let that bad boy click. Let me get back up there. That compressor breaker was off. Checking to see if we have any faults. Contactor light steady, no problems and issues right now. It looks like we're not getting any juice. There's a condenser fan working properly. Compressor 2. Compressor 1.
Tell her take her time, I'ma take mine. Put it on her mind, I'm hard to find. On a suspect list, cause everything about me fit the crime. I only pay for a opinion, don't never mind. See bullshit, I decline.